Yeshua is prophesied to return during the end times. But what if he made a quick visit this Christmas? From healing the sick to blessing barren lands and spreading peace across the nation, his presence transforms lives, bringing hope, miracles, and the true spirit of Christmas to every corner of the country. This Christmas, a divine light descends over our world, bringing with it hope, peace, and a miracle yet unseen. From the heavens, Yeshua walks through the snowy streets, his presence radiating warmth and compassion. As Yeshua steps into hospitals, filled with the sick and weary, a wave of peace spreads through the halls. With every step, the sick are healed, their wounds vanish, their pain fades, and hope fills their eyes. Doctors and nurses look on in awe, witnessing miracles they cannot explain, as Jesus brings healing beyond science. Yeshua steps onto barren farmlands, blessing the dry soil. Instantly, lush green crops spring to life, feeding those who had lost all hope. By the rivers, Jesus touches the murky waters. Polluted streams turn crystal clear, bringing life back to the villages that depend on them. Jesus walks through the slums, holding the hands of the poor, bringing warmth, food, and hope to those who need it most. As he walks across the land, a golden light spreads, bringing peace, unity, and hope to every corner of the world. In a world divided by faith and differences, Yeshua steps forward, radiant with divine light, uniting people of all beliefs, their hearts filled with hope, harmony, and the promise of peace. With his work complete, Yeshua ascends into the sky, leaving behind a world forever touched by love, compassion, and the spirit of Christmas.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, Kuzo TV.